So this is now 11 weeks following a 1-level lumbar decompression and stabilization, and you had a lot of pain going down your, was it left leg? How does it feel now?
Good.
Any pain?
Not in the leg.
Not in the leg, just in the back.
Yeah, but it's not all the time in the back. It's just some of the time where, and it's,
certainly.
if I jar it, like walking on uneven ground or stepping off a pavement.
Yeah. And can I just see you walk a little? Good. Yeah. Your posture looks so much better. And then back that way. Good. That's great. And then if you face this way, can I see you bending forwards? How far can you go? I don't know.
I haven't been doing it.
Yes. Let's see what you can do a little bit now.
Is it okay to do?
Yes, yes. Good. That's great. Fantastic. And then up you come. And how about...
Can I do that from now?
Slowly, slowly. How about sideways? Okay, and the other side? That's really good. Fantastic. Only 11 weeks after such a